Ayan, our first game is what they call, ayan, the boat is sinking. Ayan, pinakaalam po ba yung the boat is sinking? Ayan, pag sinabi ko the boat is sinking, group yourself into kung ilan yung number na sabihin natin, Jazzy. Ayan, mag-form kayo ng group consisting of that number. Ayan, maglahat kayo, gagawa kayo ng grupo, dapat kung ilan yung number na sabihin ko, yun lang yung bilang ng grupo nyo. For example, the boat is sinking, group yourself into two. Ayan, hanap ng partner. Ihag ang partner. Ayan, dalawa lang. Ayan, mukhang alam naman. Once again, make a big circle. Ayan, para masimulan natin ang ating first game.